In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export Google Sheets to PDF. This is really useful when you need to share a clean read-only copy of your spreadsheet with someone who doesn't need to edit it, or when you want to print it out and keep all the formatting intact. I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can follow along on your own screen. First, open the Google Sheets file that you want to export. Make sure you're in the correct sheet or tab and take a quick look to confirm everything appears the way you want it to show up in the final PDF. Check things like column widths, row heights, and whether any important information is cut off or hidden. Remember, the PDF will capture what you see in the sheet, so it's worth adjusting before you export. Once you're ready, move your mouse to the upper left corner of the screen and click on the File menu. This is the main menu where you'll find options for sharing, printing, and downloading your document. When you click File, a drop-down list will appear. In that drop-down, look for the option labeled Download. Hover your cursor over Download, and another side menu will expand. This is where Google Sheets lets you choose different formats such as Excel, CSV, and the one we want, PDF. From that list, click on PDF. As soon as you select it, Google Sheets will open a new window or panel with PDF export settings. Here, you can usually choose things like which pages or sheets to include, the paper size, orientation, margins, and scaling. Even though these settings aren't a separate step, it's a good idea to slow down for a moment and review them. If your sheet is wide, you might want to set the orientation to landscape so everything fits better on the page. You can also use the scaling options, such as fitting the sheet to width or fitting the entire sheet on one page, depending on how readable you want the final PDF to be. Adjust margins if needed so that nothing important gets cut off near the edges. After you've reviewed those options and you're happy with the preview, go ahead and confirm the export. Your browser will either start downloading the PDF automatically or ask you where to save it. Once the download finishes, open the PDF to double check that everything looks the way you expect, and that's all there is to it. You've successfully exported your Google Sheet as a PDF and you're ready to